I went to the store at 3 p.m. The milkman is at the door. Let's go to the bookstore on Tuesday. The book is on the shelf. My birthday is in September. Another sentence using in. Sarah, could you help me make a sentence using in?
A sentence with in. The flowers bloom in spring.
Sarah, this sentence uses in as a preposition of time. I need to make a sentence using in as a preposition of place.
Preposition of what?
You know the different types of prepositions of time, place, movement, reason, and manner.
Oh, I didn't realize there were different types of prepositions. I know that a preposition is defined as a word or phrase that connects a noun or pronoun to the rest of the sentence, describing the direction, location, or time of something.
Yes, and these prepositions are grouped into different types, amongst which are prepositions of time, place, direction, reason, and manner. A preposition of time describes a specific time period of an action or something. Prepositions of place are similar to prepositions of time, but the way the words are used is different. A preposition of place tells us where something or someone is, was, or will be. Prepositions of direction indicate the movement from one place to another. Prepositions of reason explain why something is or will be done. Similarly, prepositions of manner tell us about the way something happens or how something is done.
Oh, okay. Now I understand. I think I have a sentence for you using the preposition of place, in. We were playing football in the garden.
Yes! Thank you, Sarah. You have used in as a preposition of place in this sentence. Would you like to help me come up with some more sentences?
Sure, Asif.
Our final results will be out by Monday.
The students could not leave during their lunch break.
The lights were hanging above my head.
Their apartment is below ours.
Now let's try making sentences using the other types of prepositions. The children ran towards the ice cream cart.
Sarah kicked the ball over Asif's head.
I bought new shoes for school.
I can't come out to play yet because I haven't finished my homework.
We traveled by train to Lahore.
We didn't mean to bother the birds with all that noise.
Yes, excellent, Sarah. You picked up on this pretty fast.
Yes, that's because I'm smarter than you, and you explained it really well too.
Well, why don't we recap prepositions then?
A preposition is a word or phrase that connects a noun or pronoun to the rest of the sentence, describing the direction, location, or time of something. Prepositions can be grouped into prepositions of time, place, movement, reason, and manner. Prepositions of time describe a specific time period or an action or something. For example, we have swimming classes from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Prepositions of place tell us where something or someone is, was, or will be. For example, my brother is sitting between my parents. Prepositions of direction indicate the movement from one place to another. For example, we bought popcorn from a stall across our school. Prepositions of reason explain why something is or will be done. For example, the lights won't work now since there is no electricity. Prepositions of manner tell us about the way something happens or how something is done. For example, we talk with our hands and mouth.